Warning light here to show you that the tire pressure is down. This is Ring Automotive. It's a pump you use to pump the tire in case of an emergency. So I'm going to show you how to use this pump. So basically you need to take this end of this pump and plug it. I'm going to show you where to plug it on in the car. Come with me. So if you go into the car, you will see power outlet. So open this up and connect it to this end. So push it down. Then you need to start the car. So now we're going to start the engine. So the next thing you need to do, you need to remove the cap for the tire, plug it, connect this end. So open up the cap. Once you open the cap, then take this end, plug, connect it to the connect it. I like to leave this between 30 to 35. So remove the cap. There's a warning light here to show you that the tire pressure is down or there's a problem with the tire pressure. So once you top the tire pressure, if you want to reset this to cancel off the warning light, so once you select the center, so you see the speed alarm, then you use up and down for you. So once you see the speed alarm, select this button, then you go select it again, it go default all, language, change setting, warning, deflection, warning system. Then you use the center one to select reset, then select up or down to select initialize. Once you select initialize, then you select the center one and the light will go off and it will show you complete. So this is how to remove the warning light. Thank you.